To stay on lock screen until you swipe when unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with your face, you have to enable stay on lock screen until swipe option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen. Under additional security settings section, tap biometric, tap face recognition. Now enter your current screen lock and then tap the gray on off switch next to stay on lock screen until swipe until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To unlock your phone, hold your phone in portrait orientation and then glance at it. As you can see, when your phone recognizes your face, it will stay on lock screen. You need to swipe the screen to continue unlocking your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.